In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and let me show you how to activate wireless debugging on the following device. So at first you need to open list of all apps, then go to settings and reach developer options. If you cannot find developer mode here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, on how to activate developer mode, and then click on developer options to open. Scroll down a bit, and here we've got wireless debugging. So if you'd like to have debug mode on once Wi-Fi is connected, you need to mark this switcher and then allow the network that you currently are connected to. So this is it, that will be all. This is how you can activate this feature. Obviously, whenever you'd like to turn it off, just unmark it. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.